installing the BMC Corbin seat. The front bracket has some play in it, about 1/4 inch, and the rear bracket needs to be adjusted. Once adjusted, blue Loctite. Now when installing the seat, you want to go ahead and line it up, and since it's new, it's okay to palm it forward for that perfect fit that you get right there. Perfect, it's okay. Then you come back here, and like we talked about, this lines up perfect to lock that in. Then white washer, like so. Seat hold down screw. Lined up. You can go tighter too. And then your lock.